Come on now.
On the verse, there's that part like there's I think it would be nice to do that. Never wanna take this for granted. It goes like it goes God, I'm grateful for everything I have. You've been faithful. Never wanna take this for granted. Take this for granted. Never wanna take this for granted. Because God, I'm grateful for everything I have. You've been faithful. Never wanna take this for granted. So you've been faithful before it's just after you okay, let's go.
The lace is lacing. Thank you so much. Are you guys ready? Are you ready for Saturday? Are you ready for Saturday? Because I am. 2 days. I have a pimple on it. I'm so excited. Get really bored. Saturday. Lace wear, okay. She's also live. I'm also live. I'm also live. Saturday, my babe. Saturday. Okay, I'm gonna go, guys. I wanted to show you guys. Yeah. I hope they're ready because I am. Okay, I love you guys.